Why don't we stop? Light up here.
Man, I'm getting really into this game, but I'm thinking, what if we had sound effects like this in real life?
I don't know what you just said. I just energy sorted it right now.
I'm talking about, like, what if we were performing an action, and then out of nowhere, sound effects play to complement that action?
Yeah, I mean, it'd be pretty cool, yeah.
It'd be, like, really, really cool. Like, just take a moment to think about how cool that would be.
Did I leave my key? Dude! Really? It's campus.
Bruh.
This is campus. It's campus.
Wait a minute. This is not my
This is
move.
pretty awful.
This is
I
my
can
move.
work with this. This is not bad. Dude, that was pretty cool.
I know, I told you.
I mean, you did. I mean, the song selection I'm not happy with, but overall it was pretty cool.
Yeah, pretty cool. But really, I have no idea how to play this game. Do you want to go do something else?
I hate my life. Let's go.
Let's go get something to eat.
Yes, please. I've been starving.
I haven't eaten in a few months.
Matt, dude.
So what kind of food do you want to get?
Well, have you ever mixed Vietnamese food and Jello?
No, but that sounds delicious. Not today.
Not today. Not today.